Much love, and I'm Wayne Johnson with Doc and Queen Ministries. Going to come from a few verses in Proverbs chapter 10. Let us get started, and it reads, "These are the Proverbs of Solomon. A wise son makes his father happy. A foolish one makes his mother sad. Wealth gained by doing wrong will not really help you, but doing right will save you from death. The Lord takes care of good people and gives them the food they need, but he keeps the wicked from getting what they want. Lazy hands will make you poor. Hard working hands will make you rich." So I just wanted to stop at those first four verses of chapter 10. A wise son makes his father happy, but the opposite son makes his mother sad. It then takes us down to verse 2 where it says, "Wealth gained by doing wrong is not going to help you." So at some point, it's going to put you in a bad situation. It tells us, though, but doing right will save us from death. How many times have we been saved by death because we've done the right thing? Verse 3 states, the Lord takes care of good people. And why wouldn't he? They're good people. They're doing what is right. He wants to preserve them. And the Lord is going to make sure that good people, whatever that case may be for them, he's going to make sure that they have food that they need. It then finishes off in verse 3, but he keeps the wicked from getting what they want. Those who are wicked are always going to want more and more and more and more. And the Lord is going to make sure that they do not get the things that they are seeking for. And this is what the real reason why I read these first four verses is verse number 4. Lazy hands will make you poor. And I know we're in a time of all we want to do is be entertained. We want to have fun. But having fun isn't enough, because having fun doesn't allow you to do really anything. You have to do the hard work in order to free up your time to be able to be entertained. So it tells us and finishes off in verse 4, hard working hands will make you rich. Whatever rich looks like to you in the clear sense. Take care. God bless. Much love.